Yes, very good. Devin, let's go over those chords on the second page. So we have subdominant.
On the last measure, that doesn't sound right.
Okay, is it sounds to you like a musical question or a musical answer?
It sounds like a question.
This element is kind of like leaves you wondering, right? Like you were kind of, first you were wondering, am I playing the right note? Yeah. It doesn't sound like the end of the song, right? So this is purposely was done by the composer, just to kind of leave you with question, yeah, with musical question. But you played correctly. You played correctly. All right, so let's go over those chords on the second page. What chords are we playing? And listen for the harmony.
The second,
Second page. What chord is that?
And it's the subdominant.
Subdominant, yeah, which is chord of C, and then on the right tonic, and then
The
dominant seventh, which is creates the tension, right, and resolves back to tonic. Yeah, so those three chords. So based on those three chords, the whole second page is composed.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, good. So we're gonna play some game with the key signature of G major. So we're gonna need to choose the correct notes. Yeah, let's take a look at the computer. So we're gonna go over our primary chords in the key signature of G major. Remember, what's the sharp in key signature of G major?
What?
What's sharp?
F sharp.
F sharp, yes. So what notes do we have to put in the chord of the tonic?
G, B, and D.
Yeah, G, B, and D. Very good. Can you play it? Can you play it on the piano? Good job. And then this chord is chord of fourth step. And what's the fourth step in the key signature of G?
C. So C
C
major.
major. C major. That's
G.
our, yeah, that's our subdominant. C, E, and what's the third one?
G.
Good. And what is our dominant chord?
D major. D, F sharp.
Yeah, dominant always gonna be major. Even if it's a minor key signature, dominant is always major. D, F sharp, and what's the third note?
A.
A. And if we want to bring a little bit more tension to the sound, what notes do we have to choose for dominant seventh chord?
D, F sharp, A, and C.
F sharp, A, and C. Yeah, can you play this four notes chord? Yes, very good. All right, good job, good job.